Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today with another interesting and informative video in which we are discussing the most important MCQs with explanation from the chapter acid, base and salt. So the first MCQs, according to the Arrhenius concept, which of the following is not an acid? Option A HCl, option B H2SO4, option C CO2 and option D HNO3. As we know that according to the Arrhenius concept, an acid is a substance which can ionize into hydrogen ion. So we can see that out of 4, carbon dioxide is an element. Carbon dioxide is a molecule which does not contain any hydrogen atom in its structure. So it cannot dissociate to produce hydrogen ion directly. So carbon dioxide is not an Arrhenius acid. So here the option C is correct. So the carbon dioxide is not an Arrhenius acid because it does not dissociate into hydrogen ion directly. Next, number 2, aluminum trichloride is an acid according to option A Arrhenius concept, option B Lowry-Bronsted concept, option C Lewis concept and option D all of these. As we know that aluminum trichloride is an electron deficient compound, so it can accept a lone pair of electron from a Lewis base. So according to the Lewis base, aluminum trichloride is a Lewis acid because it can accept a lone pair of electron. So the option C is correct because aluminum trichloride is an acid according to the Lewis concept, and Lewis says that the acid is that substance which can accept a pair of electrons. Next, question number 3, which of the following is a Lewis base? So according to the Lewis base concept, Lewis is a substance that have a lone pair of electron and can donate this lone pair of electron to Lewis acid. So Lewis base is that base which can donate a pair of electron. So here the option D is correct because here the option D is fluoridine, and fluoridine can donate a lone pair of electron. Next, question number 4, the neutral solution has a pH value of. We know that the pH range is from 0 to 14, and the solution which have pH value 7, they are neutral, and from 0 to 7 they are acidic, and from 7 to 14 they are base. and exactly the solution which have exactly the pH of 7, they are neutral molecule. So the neutral molecule have a pH 7. So here the option C is correct. Next, question number 5. The pOH of 0.001 molar solution of nitric acid is option A 0.001, option B 10, option C 11, option D 14. So we calculate its pOH. As we are calculating the pOH, so here the concentration of hydrogen ion is, according to the question, 0.001 mole. So we can convert this 0.001 into this form, that is from 10, and here we write -3. Now we put the formula for calculating the pH. As we know that pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Now we put the value of hydrogen ion concentration, that is 10 raised to power -3. And after calculating these, we shift 3 here, and log minus log multiply with 10, and log 10 is equal to 1. So the log 10 have the value of 1. We multiply 3 multiply 1, so we get pH 3. And we know that pH and pOH have are equal to 14. So we calculate the pH, which is 3, and pOH, which have to be calculated, and they are equal to 14. Now we mathematically solve this. We cancel the 3 with -3, and we put -3 on the other side. So we calculate the pOH value, which is 11. So if a solution have the 0.01 mole hydrogen ion concentration, that is nitric acid, its pOH value is 11. So the option C is correct. Next question, question number 6. When a strong base and weak acid react, the only product are option A neutral salt and water, option B basic salt and water, option C acetic salt and water, and option D acetic and basic salt and water. So when a strong base react with a weak acid, they form basic salt along with water molecule. Here the example of strong base is the sodium hydroxide, and the weak acid is acetic acid, and when they react with each other, they form the sodium acetate, and sodium acetate is the basic salt along with water. So when a strong base and weak acid react with each other, they form the basic salt and water. So here the option B is correct. Next question, question number 7. Ammonia is a base according to which concept? Arrhenius, Lori Bronsted, option C Lewis, and option D both B and C. And we know that ammonia is a base because it can accept a proton or hydrogen from an acid to form ammonium ion. And this is the Lori Bronsted concept. Lori Bronsted concept says that when a substance accepts a proton, they are base. Similarly, according to the Lewis concept, ammonia is a base because it can donate a lone pair of electron. So, according to the Lori Bronsted concept and according to the Lewis concept, ammonia is a base. Ammonia is a base. So the option D, both B and C are correct. So the option D is correct. Next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following is a basic salt? The simple trick is that to indicate or to identify a basic salt, first we tell the options. Option A, potassium chloride, option B, sodium chloride, and option C, PbOHCl, and option D, potassium bisulfate. And the simple and short trick to identify a base, the substance which contain OH ion, hydroxide ion, they are basic in nature. So here the basic salt is lead hydroxychloride. Option C is correct. Next question. Question number 9. The bases which are soluble in water are called. Option A, acid. Option B, alkalis. Option C, salt, and option D is amphoteric substance. So the bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Option B is correct because the bases which are dissolved in water, they are called alkali. And we have a statement that is all the alkalis are base, but all the bases are not alkali. This is because the base which can dissolve in water, they are also called alkali as well as base. So the base which are soluble in water are called alkali. So the option B is correct. In the last question, the example of weak acid is option A, nitric acid, option B, acetic acid, option C, hydrochloric acid, and option D, sulfuric acid. So the option B is correct. That is, the acetic acid is a weak acid because acetic acid is a weak acid because it dissociates into a very small extent to produce hydrogen ion. So the option B is correct. That's for all today, the learners. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and fellows so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.